Are you looking for a Kartra free trial? Hi, Martin Bödecker here from FindFocus.net, and in this video I will show you how to sign up for a Kartra trial, and for a limited time you will get a 50% discount on your Kartra trial. That means you get a 30-day trial, and this is what I will show you in this video below. Before I get started, I just want to show you that I offer an affiliate link for Kartra below this video, and I did another video where I showed that I'm currently offering the best bonus for Kartra. So I recently did a huge online summit where I interviewed some of the most successful online entrepreneurs online, like especially like here you see Mike Filsaime, who was the co-founder of Kartra. I interviewed AJ Roberts, who is currently in charge of Kartra, and a lot of amazing entrepreneurs, and John Lee Dumas, and a lead coach from Tony Robbins, and a lot of people. And you will get access to all of these interviews if you sign up for the Kartra trial with my affiliate link. So if you click either on the link on my website, or you enter like FindFocus recommends Kartra, and then you will land on this page from Kartra. And this is you're only able to see this if you follow someone with an affiliate link, because they removed this from the official page of Kartra. So then you just click here on start your trial. And then this is really important, because you have to wait until the whole page loads, and because otherwise you will just see the Kartra pricing here. And with the free trial you will basically, or with the 30 days trial, you will basically extend your free trial from 14 days to 50 days. And that's why you saw on my other page that I call this 50% bonus. So as you could see, like once I try to go out of this page, once the page loads, you will see that this pop-up pops up, and then you just go to double my trial, and then it connects you to the Kartra server, and then you just continue and enter all your details here, and then agree to everything, and then basically you would enter your credit card details. I'm from Germany here, so just enter your credit card detail. Germany, where is it? Here, Germany, click continue, and then you would enter your name and email, your payment. Once you enter your credit card information, you just click submit payment. Then you will get an email from Kartra that you signed up for the 30-day trial. On the next page, you will need to enter your Kartra domain name. And this is really important, because you will not be able to change this later. So either choose something like your first name with some numbers, or like some general name, or whatever represents your business, but just keep in mind that you will not be able to change this later on. So this is a really important decision. Then you set a password, and a security question. So the first person I ever kissed was called Natalie, and you choose your account currency. In Kartra you're only able to have one currency, so this is really important as well. And on the next page you will see that you can get Webinar Jam for $1 as well. But inside Kartra, there's actually a campaign where you can create automated webinars called masterclasses without needing Webinar Jam. So this is really only if you really need this right now. Otherwise, I would recommend to start a free trial of Webinar Jam later on. Then you can read this important stuff and get into your Kartra account. So next you would need to check your emails and then log into your Kartra account. To log into your Kartra account, just go to the login page. On the login page, simply enter the name, the email and the password you selected, and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you need to agree to their terms of service, and then you get a video of welcome to Kartra. But there's one thing that is really important for you when you start your trial, because if you use this trick, then you will be subscribed to the silver plan. So if you're just starting out a new business, I would highly recommend that you then go to your account and then go to billing. And on billing, you see that you're subscribed to your silver, to Kartra Silver. And after 14 days, I would recommend to downgrade to the bronze or to the starter level, because if you do not need the silver level, then I highly recommend downgrading. This is just important to keep in mind, but this is the only way to get this trial, because as you can see, this is only a pop-up and this will automatically subscribe you to the Kartra Silver plan. So if you decide to sign up for Kartra with my affiliate link to get your 30-day trial, I will also offer all of these bonuses, and currently I'm still offering a one-to-one consultation with everyone who signs up for with my Kartra affiliate link. So I'm really looking forward to talking to you and show you this amazing system. Have a great day.